Winning rate, 56%, net profit plus $3,100, and the maximum drawdown, just 21%. Doesn't this quiet but extremely reliable trading strategy pique your interest? In this verification, we created a unique bot based on the Parabolic RSI, adding a moving average filter and TPSL. We then tested it using the 10-minute chart of WTI crude oil, running a total of 125 trades. Indicator settings. First, let's set up the chart. The currency pair is WTI crude oil. The time frame is 10-minute chart. Instantly spot trend reversals. Quick guide to adding and using the Parabolic RSI. Is it true you can literally see when to buy here? This time, we'll explain how to add the popular Parabolic RSI crime to TradingView for free and show you exactly how to use it. First, open TradingView and click on Indicators at the top. In the search bar, type Parabolic RSI Chart Prime. Then, click on the indicator that appears, and it will be automatically added to your chart. You should now see the RSI at the bottom, with dots or diamond markers appearing above it. If so, you're good to go. This is a free, open-source indicator, so feel free to try it out with confidence. The indicator overlays the Parabolic SAR onto the RSI, making it easy to visually catch trend reversals. There are two key types of signals to watch for. Large diamonds. When RSI is above 70 or below 30 and the SAR flips, this is a strong signal. Small diamonds. A standard SAR flip. This is a slightly weaker signal. But don't jump into a trade just because a signal appears. Combine it with MACD or moving averages to improve accuracy. In this case, we added an EMA to create a custom strategy bot for backtesting. Strategy explanation. Now, based on the previous results, let's break down the entry rules of this strategy in 3 simple steps. Long entry. Step 1. RSI drops below 30. The first thing to watch for is the RSI dipping below the 30 level. This indicates an oversold condition, suggesting the market is primed for a rebound. Step 2. Parabolic SAR flips and a large diamond appears. Next, look for the SAR reversal signal. What you want to see is a large diamond marker below the candlestick. This isn't just any flip, it signals a strong trend reversal. Step 3. Price is above the EMA. The final check, is the price above the EMA line? If yes, it confirms an uptrend. When all 3 conditions align, it's time for a long entry. Stop loss. Set your stop loss $1 below the low of the candle before entry. Take profit. Take profit is set at twice the risk amount. This means the risk-reward ratio used is 2.0. Reversal trades. Additionally, if a reverse signal appears, the bot can instantly flip the position. For example, if RSI climbs above 70 and a large diamond appears above the candlestick, the long position is closed immediately and a short position is opened. Next, let's go over the conditions for short entries, also explained in 3 steps. Short entry. Step 1. RSI rises above 70. First, check if the RSI has climbed above the 70 level. This signals an overbought condition, which often precedes a downward reversal. Step 2. Parabolic SAR flips and a large diamond appears above the candle. Here again, the key is the combination of the SAR reversal and the appearance of a large diamond above the candlestick. Together, these represent the core short entry signal in this strategy. Step 3. Price is below the EMA. Lastly, confirm whether the price is positioned below the EMA. This shows the overall trend is downward, allowing for a trend-aligned short entry rather than a counter trade. Stop loss. Set your stop loss at the high of the previous candle plus $1. Take profit. Take profit is set at twice the size of the risk. Just like with long entries, the risk-reward ratio is 2.0. Reversal trades also supported. Of course, if the conditions flip, the strategy will reverse instantly. If the RSI falls below 30 and a large diamond appears beneath the candlestick, the short is closed and a new long entry is opened. Summary: overbought, SAR flip plus diamond, trend confirmation, short entry. If the conditions reverse, flip the trade immediately. Thanks to clear rules, this strategy is easily repeatable for anyone. Live trade examples. Now let's look at real chart examples to see how these entries play out in practice. Example: long entry. Let's start with this setup. The RSI dips below 30. Then the parabolic SAR flips from below to above. As the price breaks above the EMA line, this marks the long entry point. The stop loss is set $1 below the low of the candle right before entry. The take profit is set at twice the size of the risk. In this case, the price quickly moved upward after entry and hit the preset TP target perfectly. Example, reversal to short. In the next case, before reaching the initial TP, the RSI broke above 70 and the parabolic SAR flipped again, triggering a fresh short signal. The long position is immediately closed and a short entry is made through reversal. Here, the stop loss is set $1 above the high of the candle just before entry. As usual, the TP is set at twice the risk. In the end, this trade also reached its TP target, securing a clean profit. Backtest results of the custom algorithm. The strategy tested this time combines the parabolic RSI with a moving average filter and TP-SL settings, a trend-following strategy designed for real-world application. The test period spans from September 30th, 2024 to May 1st, 2025. A total of 125 trades were analyzed, focusing on the balance between long and short positions and overall profitability. Key backtest results. Net profit, plus $3,113.16, plus 103.77%. Maximum drawdown, minus $1,023.31, minus 21.21%. Profit factor, 1.429. Winning rate, 56%. 70 wins out of 125 trades. Average profit loss per trade, plus $24.91, plus 0.25%. Average winning trade, plus $148.03. Average losing trade, minus $131.80. Payoff ratio, win-loss, 1.123. Largest winning trade, plus $454.86, plus 4.55%. Largest losing trade, minus $335.15, minus 3.35%. Sharp ratio, 0.555. Sortino ratio, 2.08. Average bars held per trade, 117 total fees, $499.55. Comparison with buy and hold, minus $440.88, minus 14.70%. Strengths, winning rate of 56%, profit factor of 1.429. As a trend-following strategy, this setup is impressively stable. Notably, its performance on short positions stands out, with a profit factor of 1.696 and a win rate of 59.68%. It consistently secures profits even in declining markets. The maximum drawdown is kept within 21.21%, indicating solid capital efficiency. A Sortino ratio of 2.08 shows exceptionally high returns relative to risk. Areas for improvement. The profit factor for long positions is a bit weaker at 1.213. Also, with a modest average profit loss of $24.91, there's room to improve profitability by refining trade selection and take profit timing. An average of 117 bars per trade is slightly long, which could lead to increased drawdowns during high volatility markets. Suggestions for improvement. Introduce an entry filter specifically for long positions, for example, by adding a trend strength indicator to enhance accuracy. Consider adjusting the take profit range or implementing partial exits to secure gains more conservatively. Additionally, optimizing fees and adjusting trade frequency could help increase overall returns. Parabolic RSI Strategy Summary. The name of the custom-built bot we showcased today is Parabolic RSI Strategy MA Filter plus TP-SL PakunFX, commonly referred to as the PakunFX trend-following bot. This is a highly practical trading strategy that captures trends effectively while maintaining a solid win rate and balanced performance. It particularly excels in short trades, skillfully avoiding range-bound markets and enabling efficient trading by assessing market momentum. Stay tuned for the next backtest.